Helen Fricker is a glaciologist, but it wasn't a visit to Antarctica that introduced her to her field of study. It was a measurement technique called altimetry. It's done using a satellite orbiting the Earth.
On board is a laser. So it's a bit like a laser pointer. It's red. So red laser, and it is sending a laser pulse from the satellite to the ground and back, and measuring how long it takes.
Scientists use those measurements to figure out the height of the ice. Fricker says it's like a metal detector. It tells you where to take a closer look.
You use the satellites to kind of find the bing, 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 flashing red, come and look at me, I'm changing. And then you go in with the field work and figure out why.
NASA has selected Fricker and her team for a new laser altimetry mission. It's called Earth Dynamics Geodetic Explorer, or EDGE. Fricker has worked on NASA satellite missions before. She says EDGE will be even more accurate than previous tools. Plus, it doesn't just measure ice.
It's for terrestrial ecosystems as well, so forests and woody ecosystems. So this is actually a kind of two-in-one mission. We're mapping both the ecosystems and the ice at the same time.
Fricker says this will help scientists track two of the Earth's vital signs: how much carbon is stored in forests and how much ice there is.
If we can track and monitor these key signs of Earth, and are we going close to these tipping points, it's very important, because we need to know where we're headed so that we can kind of navigate through this time of unprecedented change.
Fricker and her team first started working on their proposal in 2021. They highlighted the economic benefits of EDGE, like monitoring changing conditions in commercial ship routes.
But it was actually quite refreshing to think about it in a different way, because the instrument is so needed in many ways, and needed for so many industries and across so many different aspects of our lives.
After years of meetings, presentations, and questions, she got the call while on a walk last Thursday.
Actually saw a penny on the ground right before they called. Not that I'm superstitious, but I sort of am, which is crazy. And yeah, when they called up, I saw the number from Virginia. I'm like, this is it, okay. Answer the phone, and they were so nice, and it was such a great phone call.
Now work can get started on building the instrument. Fricker says the spacecraft will be about the size of an SUV. It will launch from the Vandenberg Space Force Base in Santa Barbara County.
So we'll see it from here. Well, I won't be here, I'll be there, but people will be able to see it from here.
That launch is expected to happen in 2030. Katie Anastas, KPBS News.